Find the directional derivative of f of x and y equal to x minus y over x times y plus 2 at point 1 and negative 1 in the direction 12 and 5. So first thing first, I know the direction has to be, if I'm finding the directional derivative, direction has to be in the unit vector form. So I find the magnitude of 12 and 5, which is square root of 12 to the power 2 plus 5 to the power 2, 144 plus 25, 169, that's 13. And so the unit in that direction is going to be 12 over 13 and 5 over 13. And then when I find that, then I have to find the gradient vector of f, and that's the partial respect to x and partial respect to y. And so partial respect to x of x and y is equal to low d high, and that's xy plus 2 times derivative of y is constant, so times 1, minus high d low, y is constant again, and so it becomes y divided by xy plus 2. Clean this up, and what you get is xy plus 2 minus xy plus y squared. And so the two terms simplify, and what you end up with is 2 plus y squared over xy plus 2 to the power 2. Now, partial respect to y of x and y is going to be again low times derivative of high, this time is negative 1, minus high, derivative of the low, which this time is x, over xy plus 2 to power 2, and that is minus xy minus 2 minus x squared minus plus xy, and that is negative 2 minus x squared over xy plus 2 to power 2, which is sort of what I was expecting, because switching x and y in here is going to basically multiply by a negative sign, and in here what I got is, after switching, I multiply by a negative sign also. So found this, find this. Now it's time to use the point, and point is 1 and negative 1. So if I put in basically 1 and negative 1, f sub x of 1 and negative 1, plug in 1 for x, negative 1 for y, and we end up with 2 plus 1 on top, negative 1 plus 2 in the bottom, and so it's 3, and then f sub y of 1 and negative 1 is negative 2 minus 1 over again negative 1 plus 2 to the power 2, which is negative 3. So gradient vector add 1 and negative 1 is 3 and negative 3. Now the directional derivative in direction u of f is that gradient vector dot the unit vector that we found up there. Multiply them together and you end up with 21 over 13, which is a scalar, and that's what you were expecting.